This is a carriage part. There are several things. This one, I think it's a little bit off. Also, this one, it's off. This one should be hook up the dented part. Exactly same. This one should be hook up this dented part. And then this one little bit bent because it's broken, and then one screw missing. This part is okay, so this part was broken, right? So I little bit bent to hold this carriage onto the body without bubbling. Without this part, it can be sometime okay, but easily we can take off the carriage. That means carriage doesn't stay on this rail form, so it's wobbling. So I try to fix it. Well, let's see. Now I correctly this part put back on the dented part. Exactly the same this one. The serial number, it's Halda 6. It was manufactured in 1948. Very solid typewriter. As you saw the video, it has some problem. Also, another problem is it is very hard to see, but yeah, I will show you. Okay. Yeah, this I already fixed this part, right? And then yeah, see, another thing is this is the crack, right? Also, this set screw missing, so I bought this one from the hardware store. I put this one, and then I rebent this one. Because this is very important, because this hold the whole carriage under this rail. So depending on the tension, it keep from rail to this this range. So if you lose this one, then the whole carriage it will be wobbling. So too much bented inside, then it's stiff, so it does not move. So it's a very important thing. That's why it has a set screw. You can control this tension using this set screw. So set screw was missing, and then it was cracked, so it was bented. So I fixed this one. So one more thing. Yeah, this on the carriage. This one actually hold one spring. It's already broken, like this one. So that's for the release carriage. Right now I use the another spring, the outside. See, normally this function from that spring, but it was broken. I think it's too weak, so it's easy to broken. See? So how can I fix it? Under here, right? Yeah, there is a spring, right? Yeah, this spring I connected the under here both side. So after push, it's the spring, it return the original position like this, exactly same this way. I put the new spring here, right? So that's why it works good. So that's the main thing, except that it is really nice one. So that's why Jim remember it was a really good typewriter. So if you have a good memory for this typewriter, even though it has bad stuff or some problem, you can easily forget that problem, right? Because of the good memory, nostalgia. Yeah. So this also he mentioned this ribbon spool. It was very expensive, so he spent just to buy this one. I think including shipping cost, he paid over $100. So, and then yeah, except that everything is very same thing. This is the top set, and then this button is tap clear, and then one more special thing is under here there is a we can control, adjust the tension of the each key. This one. And then one more thing is there is another serial number here. It is matched with this one, but except the there is one missing before that, and then match it. That means this is a real serial number, maybe. Okay. Yeah. So really good. Most of the standard typewriter, good thing is the touch. Touch is very good, especially this one. Sound, touch, oh, amazing. So that's why Jim remember this typewriter is one of the best typewriter. Yeah, a lot of people mentioned this typewriter is one of the best typewriter. Jim, thank you again for trade this with your old typewriter. I enjoy this one a lot. All right, thank you for watching.